Everybody can move you. It's relatively easy to do moving from A to B. It's how's the experience while you move from A to B. If you establish a culture of excellence and customer service with employees first in mind, you're gonna have pretty happy customers. Once we started, we were like all about the experience, all about customer service. So one of the things we did in this building is investing in that office as an investment in our team. This is why we built such an incredible facility. It was, let's build a brand that changed the moving industry through an emotional aspect, culture, performance as well. So our standards are very high. We have our own Movers Academy, and we put emphasis on culture. We don't have contractors, we don't subcontract, we don't use third-party companies involved in the process. We use only our employees, going through some rigorous vetting system, which result in really good movers that are also happy movers, which result in happy clients. From local, long distance, commercial, out, packing, crating, white glove services, and international. We also take pride in our storage services, which we own and operate 350,000 square feet of warehouses. And we offer climate controlled, fireproof storage. We have that confidence that no matter who refer us and what broker and what apartment, it could be a 57 million penthouse or it could be a walk-up. Either way, we're going to deliver something that no one else delivers. And that's a A++ experience.